So, as we listen to the wind and the sound of the water, take a deep breath with me. And as you breathe in new energy, new oxygen, just to allow it to infiltrate your lungs and allow that sensation, that filling up of the lungs, to really harmonize your connection to your large intestine. As you exhale, draw your navel all the way back toward your spine and let go of anything and everything that is not serving you in this moment. Any ill wishes you're having on other people, any of the critical mind that you're having about yourself, any thoughts or emotions that you're not doing enough or that you're not being enough. Let that all go. Let's take another breath in and really listen and feel new energy, new oxygen as it fills those cells in your lungs. It's also healing the lining of your enteric brain. Exhale all the way out, clear it out to the very, very bottom of your lungs. Most important thing that we ever do on our spiritual path is clear out, release and let go. When we do that, we create space for everything else to follow. So this is fascinating, so I have to share it. So the vagus nerve, we're still on the enteric brain and sovereignty here, and the vagus nerve travels all the way up the body, and what it does is it gives messages from your gut brain all the way up into these little places in your brain, the anterior cingulate cortex and the insula. So that ACC is responsible for motivation, being conflict monitoring, so managing conflict in your life. Also responsible for reward anticipation. So it's that place that can get anxious, whether you're looking forward to reward or something that doesn't feel like a reward. And also decision making and empathy and emotion. So all of that is stored in the gut. Isn't that phenomenal? And as it travels up into the brain, it stimulates the ACC, the anterior cingulate cortex, which also has everything to do with those emotions. Now, the insula is related to the olfactory, to your smell system, and to the gustatory system, which is like your gastric system, right? And to the visceral autonomic system. So when we do Chinit Song, when we do belly massage, or when we nourish our bellies with really delicious food that feels like healthy and makes us feel vital and young and ready to play, then we are really feeding our visceral bodies. And that puts us into a sovereign state, right? That puts us into a state where we can navigate the crazy waters of life, this crazy ocean that we're swimming in a way that serves us as well as the people around us. We're going to get more into how we navigate sovereignty when it comes to being in an intimate relationship and when it comes to being in community. But for now, we're really just going into what it means for you in your 3 brain centers of your body. Okay, see you soon.